So you all remember that, like what we have done in the previous class. Just have a quick revisions. We have found the area, we have found the volume. You can see here the level wise, this is for the first floor. We have found this concrete volume of the slab, and all the floor finishes we have found over here by the area, and you can see the wall concrete and wall area also we found like this. And we found two piles. How many two piles we have? That we count, we have 47 over here. Like this, we have done so many things in the previous class. You need to remember all these things. Now today's class we are going to do first what is the custom quantity, and how can we take the custom quantity, how can we do the custom quantity over here. So let's say you can see here this pile cap 800 into 1800 into 900. So I'm just going to the dimensions and I'm selecting here add and create a new dimensions group called 800. Let's say I will do pile cap 2 pile 800 into 1800 into 900. Okay, 800 into 1900 into 900, and I just wanted to keep it under the folder class project structural. And what you want to do here, your measurement type is count, and display is volume. I'm going to count it, but display display quantity should be volume, but the measurement type is count. We have done all these things here. Then click OK. Once you click insert here, you can see that it comes. See here, nothing is coming here currently, 0 meter cube, but you can see pile cap 2 piles 800 into 1800 into 900. That means the length is 1800, the width is 800, and 900 is the depth. This is what we have mentioned already here. Then from here I have to take the length, width and height using the formula. So here we are going to learn how can we set the formula to find the width, length and height from our dimensions group name. So just double click and open this. You can just go to the measured dimensions. From the measured dimensions you can see here, let's say you can see over here the length, width and height. So I remove the length which is already there. Then I click over here and I'm going to give a formula over there. You can just go to the function. From here we have different function, logical, mathematical functions, string functions. So I will explain that one by one. Currently we are going to take a string functions called xget. Not string function, we will be taking over here the mathematical function called x number. This one, what the x number will do, return the indexed number found in the text. If index is not specified, the first one will be taken. So this is what I need to take it. That means if you have a string, it will be taken the indexed number from the string. So I double click over here. So I get here x number of, what is my string? My string is my dimensions group name. So you go to the dimensions group field and you can just select this one, dimensions group name, comma, what is the index? Currently you need to get the length. So you can see 2 is the first index, 800 is the second index number, and 1800 is the third index number. So I just wanted to get the third index number, so I give here 3. Then what is mentioned over there, this is in millimeter, so I just wanted to get it in meter, so divided by 1000. So once you've done this, then you click OK and you click close. So that formula is coming over here. This is the same way you have to do the formula for the width and the height. Again you go to the width, then you click over here and you can select the function X number. Let me select the X number, dimensions group field, and select the dimensions group name, which is your string comma. The width is second index 1 divided by 1000. We have to select it, dimensions group comma 2, and you need to close the bracket here and divided by see here somewhere your formula is wrong. That is the reason you are not getting the answer. Let me just try once more. We'll go to the properties, not properties, the function. You select X number and select the dimensions group field, dimensions group name comma 2. So it is take the second index number divided by 1000. Then you click close. If your formula is correct in logically and the formula structure is correct, then it will be turned into blue color. Otherwise it shows as a red color. Then you click close. So you can see that is also taken here. Now the next one, I'm just going to copy and paste it here to find the height. I give here Control V and I select the height is the fourth one, which is 900. So the fourth one divided by 10. Then we need to find out the volume. What is the formula to find the volume? You can just click over here and you need to give here dimensions group. Here directly you can give length multiplied by height, length multiplied by width, let's say width multiplied by height. This is what we done. Then we click close and you can set in case you wanted to find out, give the area, you can just click over here length into length multiplied by width. Okay, then click close. So we have done that. Then I click update. So our formula is updated. Now I'm just going to take the quantity. Okay, so we have different methods. We have learned the auto count method. We have learned the different methods to take the count, but currently I'm just simply clicking on it. So you can select this and you select the point and you have to click over here. Okay, this one. So once I simply click on this is the 800 into 1800 into 900. Once I click over here, this dimension properties will be coming. That because my properties on add is activated. If you don't want, you can remove that one. Okay, so once I select here, I'm getting here 1.3 meter cube. See here, one pile and area is 1.44 and volume is 1.3 meter cube. It's taken. So from there where they have taken the length and width, they have taken the length and width and height from our dimension group string. Then it's calculated and we got the volume of this thing. Now next I just wanted to find the formwork for this one, formwork area. So for this I just wanted to do the calculations first. That means I don't have any properties over there for the formwork. First I need to create it. After I'm creating it, I have to use it in my quantity. So for this thing you can just go to the first what we need to do, we need to create the custom quantities. You can go to the home and you click here the system administration. There you can see the custom quantity. Just click on the custom quantity, then you click insert. I'm just going to type here formwork. Let's say formwork, and the folder you can choose. If you want, you can I give here custom quantity CQ, something like this. The unit, which is meter square. Okay, and then measured expressions, you need to give the measured expressions. In case you want, you can do it from here or you can do it later. Currently I'm not using anything here. I just click insert. So you can see the custom quantity is inserted over here called formwork. Okay, then click close. Now I need to associate that custom quantity along with my pile cap to this dimensions. So from this quantity. So just double click on this. When you double click on this one, you can just go to the custom quantity options. Then you click here insert. You have that formworks which is already created. See here, I have created some other formworks also for the previous and the current project, previous project. So you can see currently I'm selecting this one from formworks, and it is coming here meter cube. Once you select it from here, you can just go to the measure dimensions, and you can see that formwork is coming over here. See, it is coming over there. Then you have to give your formula here. So I'm just going to give the formula. Length plus width. You can select the length plus width, then close the bracket, open and close the bracket, multiplied by 2 multiplied by height. This is the formula I set. Just understand that you can set your own formula. So custom quantity normally we are using to set our own formula. Then you click here close, then you can do update. See here, once I updated, you are not seeing anything over there, but you keep the mouse pointer here, you can see there is one more thing called formwork, and it is calculating the formwork area is 4.68 meters square. Then I select the point, and I'm taking one more 1800 into 900 into 800. Then when I click over here, again it is increased. You can see now I have taken the quantity of 2. Length is 3.6, area is 2.88 meter square, volume is 2.59 meter cube, and the formwork is 9.36 meter square. So this is the way you can just set your quantity over here, I mean custom quantity over here. So this is the method to set the custom quantity. So you can use that in the different perspective. Anyway, first understand how we take it. So now we have taken the structural elements, area, volume, everything we done. So now next what we need to do, we have to take the reinforcement. How to create the reinforcement, or how to take the reinforcement volume. And this is what we need. So for this, first I'll show you how to take it for the column reinforcement. Then we have to go for the beam, then we have to go for the slab, raft, like different structural element. So in this case, let's say I'm just going to import one drawing. Under the structure. So go to the dimensions, and you can click here click here add drawings. So go to the drawings and click here add, and I'm selecting one small drawing from here. Let's say okay, let's see, I'll take this thing, and you can just go to the folder. Maybe I'll take the structural, class project structural, and the title, all these things you can do it. Base UAM we have selected, then we click here insert. So once I insert this one, it is coming over here. Then let me first make sure that length, so I'll go here. Okay, it's fine, everything is okay now. I could just check this is very important, this all we have discussed in the previous classes, so it's fine. Okay, I just wanted to check everything. So once we done this one, you can see this is the column. You can see here the strap footings, you can see bar you can see over there, and you can see the vertical bar also. So I just wanted, I have mentioned here, this is the T16. Like this we have 15, that means 15 stripes we have here. then here you have T20, which is this one. So that means total, both the side 4 4, total we have 8. So how can we take this thing? So previously we have added all, basically we have added all the rebar. Normally rebar we measure by the length, and 1 meter, what is the volume, that already we have assigned into our system. You remember that process, the last class we have done. Okay, then now I need to take, so first what I wanted to take, I need to take this T20, this one, okay, the column T20 bar. What is the total volume? I need to take it. So I'll go to the dimensions and I click here add. Let's say I'll select CL T20 bar. CL T20 I given. It has to come under the structure rebar, and we are just going to take it, measurement type is length, and the default display should be volume. Then remaining things I keep as it is. Then what we need to do here, to find out the volume, like you can go to the measured dimensions. In this measured dimensions, the volume is area into height. I don't want this. Currently we have to find out the volume. Basically I need to find the weight here, okay, weight of the bar. So for this thing, what I wanted to do over here, the length multiplied by the weight is already given in kg. First you need to calculate the length, and it has to be multiplied by the given weight. So let's say here, how can we do it? You just go to the weight. This is for the T20. So I click here, and you can see here length multiplied by, you have to give here length multiplied by, go to the constant. There we have already defined here T20. What is it? So I'll just click on this T20, then you click close. So this is the dia for this is the weight for 1 meter T20 bar. Then click close. So that calculation is coming here. Then you click insert. So we have created here the T20 there. Next what we need to do, we have to take this length. So when you take the length, the volume will be calculated accordingly. So in that cases, I'll be just select this, and I choose here this one. You can just simply press the control, then you can select it. So the full bar length we have taken. Okay, so once you've taken that, you can see here currently nothing is coming, but the weight is calculated because I have to make few changes over there. Let's say I'll just double click here. Instead of the volume, I'll be selecting over here the weight. Then I click update. So you can see here CL T20 10.41 is the volume currently. Why it is 10.41? Because we got the length 4.22. That 4.22 multiplied by 1 meter bar length we have given. So it's multiplied by that 1 meter length bar weight. So you got the total. So currently you got it. So I have taken only this one, but we know that this T20 we have 8 bars. So currently only we have taken for 1 bar, but I have to take it for the 8 bars. So instead of measuring it, you can just go inside, and we will be seeing over here the multiplier. Let me see, I increase the multiplier over here, total 8. So I give here 8, then I click update. So once I do this, you can see here it's updated 83.30. that means 8 bars, correct? 1 2 3 4 this side and 1 2 3 4 this side, all are T20. Then total volume is coming 83 total weight is coming 83.30. okay, then the same thing you have to do for the the other one as well, like you want to take it for this one. So basically this is the strip, I mean the bended one, the strip one. So in this case, how can we take it? This is also, you need to take it length, but we know that if you wanted to bend the bar something like that, we will be having an extra length here and here. So how can we take this one? So anyway, we'll go to create another one, dimensions, and you can click here add, and you can just select it from here, CL. I choose CL and I give here T16. Okay, T16 I selected. Then you can select the measurement type is not area. I'll be selecting over here the length, and default display we need to select the weight. Okay, length we selected and the weight we select the same way how we done it before. Then you go to the measured dimensions, in weight you have to choose length multiplied by I need to select here T16. Okay, T16 I selected, then click close. So you can see that is calculate, it will calculate. I just placed over there, then I click insert. So once I done this way, you have to find out now the length of this one. So I just click this one, okay, then press the control, then you can just take this, then press the control and you take this, and press the control, you take this one, and control and take this one. So once we taken this thing, you can see here currently it is coming over here 3.89. okay, that's fine, it's 3.89, but let's say I have the lap length over here, both the side I have the lap length of, that means it's bended over here, then the lap length of, for example, I'm just going to give here 400 mm or like 0.4, that is the lap length. So how can you cannot measure it from here because this is the 2D drawing, but how can you give the lap length, and that length also has to be taken along with this one. So here the manual quantity will help you out. You can just select here add the manual quantity. I'm going to add here, then you can give the name lap's length, or you just give LL or whatever the name you can, lap's length basically. Then once you've done that, you can just go to the this is length basically, right? So I'm just going to add the length of 0.4. so let's select here 0.4, then you click insert. See here, so once I click over here the length of 0.4, the weight is calculated now, which is 4.52. I added over the 0.4, so the length is increased now 2.86. that means I added the lap's length to that, then the total weight is increased. Now I got the length for one stripes, then the same way I have here 15. So what I need to do, I have to increase, just double click over here and you can just increase the default multiplier into 15, then you click update. Yes, then you can see that it's converted into 16.85. so we have taken the volume of is T16 now and T20 also here. So basically taking the volume or the weight, not volume, weight of the bar is little bit difficult compared to the other one. You need more practice over there, because the other all the things directly we are taking it, but this one you need to do some calculations, you have to add some manual quantity, and this is the way we do it. So now we learn how to take it from the column. Then next we have to say how to take it from the volume, how to take it from the take the weight from weight of rebar from the beam, and how to take it from the floor or ramp, so raft basically, and everywhere, and the stairs. So all the procedure is almost same, but you need to put your own formulas over there, and that method also slightly different. So that all we will discuss one by one in the class. So first you need to do all this, the practices. You try to do the practices, because this is not really just a learning. You need to do the practices with your own drawings, and any doubt anytime we can discuss in the class. So I'm just going to the next one now, which is how to take the rebar weight from the this one beam. Okay, so for that I have to take the other drawing which is mentioned over there, the beam details. I need to take it, and we have to do that. So here about this one, first we have completed today's class, the custom quantity and the rebar from the column. If you have any questions or anything related